how to filter for same day delivery on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can filter for same day delivery on Amazon. So to filter for same day delivery on Amazon is not difficult. Just watch this video to the end to know how to do it. The first step is to log in into your Amazon account. And then once you're logged in, you will go to the Amazon's home page. On this page, you can see several options. You can see the Amazon logo, you can see the delivery location, and then you can also see the search box and all. And then the next step is to go to the search box next to it where you can see the all option and then click on the all. And then in the box displayed, select the product or the department that you'd like to filter with same day delivery. So after selecting the department, just type out same day delivery items. All right, same day delivery items, and then click on enter to search. And then once you click on enter to search, products that have same day delivery or maybe a day interval will be displayed. As you can see, for these products, Tuesday, Tuesday. Yeah. So these are the products that have the same day delivery. By the time you scroll down, you'll see more products as well. Same day delivery. So this is it. This is how you can filter for same day delivery on Amazon. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.